Afternoon, friends all over the world. We have wonderful people in our studio, and soon we'll be talking to them, and you will be enjoying the beautiful descriptions of their wonderful job. As Bollywood is known all over the world. Now Hollywood has taken second place and Bollywood has taken number one place. So this is Radio Santavanta, and we are so proud of you. Thank you, listeners all over the world, for listening Radio Santavanta. Welcome, my friends. Would you like to please introduce yourself and tell all the beautiful things, because our listeners are waiting.
Thanks, Prakash ji. My name is Marshi, and this is Michelle sitting next to me.
Hello.
We're from June Bollywood Dance Company, and we perform Bollywood dancing and we teach Bollywood dancing, and we just love doing that because we love spreading the Bollywood fever throughout Melbourne, especially. We love watching the Bollywood movies, and
Yes.
we love going to Bollywood movies together.
Definitely.
And we've developed many friendships through this
Yes.
dance company, and the last actually Radio Santavanta called us on because they saw us at one of the concerts that we performed at recently at the
Yes.
Sukhwinder Singh concert,
Yes.
and we just had a wonderful time on stage performing at that. Michelle, did you want to?
I guess we've seen the interest in Bollywood grow in Melbourne.
Oh,
There's
yes.
been great excitement, and so the more performances that we get asked to take part in, we can see the excitement growing in different audiences and new audiences really appreciating, the joy and
Yes.
and excitement that Bollywood, the film industry and the music really brings to many people.
This is really marvelous. 1.2 billion people on the face of this earth are friends and also lovers of Bollywood music.
That's right.
The beautiful, because in Sukhwinder Singh, I was present over there, and I saw your performance over there, and it was really very good.
Thank you.
It was so professional and so beautiful and so artistic and also overwhelming, because when you see the dance, you always say that we are not in Melbourne, we are in Mumbai, Bollywood.
Wow, that's a big compliment, especially since Michelle and I, neither of us are Indian. It actually shows you how Bollywood can bring together so many different cultures and communities. My background is I'm Sri Lankan.
Okay.
I was born in Sri Lanka, and Michelle.
Yeah, I guess I've got European background and an Australian background.
So Bollywood crosses all boundaries,
yes,
brings
yes.
everyone together. My parents introduced me to Bollywood in Sri Lanka. Actually, they were
wonderful.
huge Bollywood film fans,
Yes.
and they loved Amitabh Bachchan.